So today, slept in big time, and by the time I got so organised, I only had probably an hour's worth of daylight left, and I didn't know what I was going to do, but I finally decided to change my car, and you know, I'm even thinking rushing, because I've got to get the safety gear out, and I've got to get it on, and I've got to do all this stuff just to get it ready. And then I was outside and trying to think about how to brace this so it wouldn't move around when I was cutting it, and it was so hard to just try and keep calm and relax. Because I didn't have much time anyway, like, so I might as well just get everything out and just do what I can. Something gets done, because when you start stressing out and that, everything goes right wrong. And I mean, look, I didn't keep it that calm, but I kept it calmer than I normally would. I would have been like just losing the plot, going, this, that, and the other thing. And at least I stopped that from happening. And I did get something done. Not much, but got something done, and I feel a lot better for it. So what I got is what I got, but it's better than doing nothing, because if I'd done nothing, I'd really be stressed out. I would be the whole day wasted, But yeah, so I mean, we still had some problems, like this big bit ripped out, and that's sort of gonna wreck the might even go find that bit. But yeah, so at least we're getting somewhere. Get something done. And I could, like, rushed even more, not worried about my chainsaw pants or glasses and that, and just going out and hurt myself. Yeah. So I don't know. What can you say? You can say anything you like, just don't wreck it. So, the blue's where it's got to go lower, so they're all sort of going over each other, and the pink's on the top high bits. So that. Yeah, screwing with that, but still might come out alright. I'm not sure if I should go like there. Should go to there, maybe. I think it'll be better. Methinks. Because it is a bit that way, a bit that side, so I need that sort of shape of this way. Yeah. Well, this was a board. It was she wasn't happy, and I didn't see it there. But she's bent and she was cracking up. So that's why I carved into the board. Try and make something out of them. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. If you like, run out of time. Try not to rush. Try to just do what you can with the time you got. Because you can't do anything else. Rushing actually makes you slower because you don't get done properly. You break up then you get hurt, etc., etc. etc. Take care of yourself, people. Life's hard. The people in the face. Oh, very good. Oh, wow. That's really anyway. too rushed.